Hey, so this is the end of this unit. So we are now going to put all of our pieces together that we have created, and we're going to do a reflection on that piece. So this is your unit assessment. Okay, so if you click on your document, it's actually a Google slide, and you are going to use this as a template to create your final piece that you're going to turn in. So obviously put your name here. So instructions, this is just for you to talk a little bit about where do you see directions or instructions in your life? Tell me where you notice instructions in your life. Tell me what seems to work for you as far as instructions and what doesn't work so well. What do you not understand or what has maybe not been explained well? So these are just opinions, things you've noticed in your life about instructions or directions. Okay. This is the first piece, your how-to directions. Put the title of your directions and a link to your directions here. I'm assuming, excuse me, goodness, I'm assuming you're just going to delete this, right? And then you'll put like how to walk the dog, and then you'll have a link to your directions, okay? So you wanna make sure you change the setting on the directions so anyone who sees it can click on it. So let's say these are my directions. I'm gonna go up here and I'm going to change this so that it says anyone, actually right here, hold on, anyone with the link. Okay, we want it to say anyone with the link can view, because that should be fine. Or you could change it to commenter. Or you can change it to editor. I don't care. Okay. Once that's changed, you then click on copy the link. Okay. So then you're going to come back here and you will put the link into your document. Okay. So I should be able to see the title of your directions and a link to it at the same time right here. So I should be able to click on it and get to your directions. Okay. Then your reflection. Type here what you already knew before you started, what you learned, what was easy, what was harder than you expected. So tell me about what it was like to create these directions. Where were your stumbling blocks? Where was like, I got this, this is no problem. Okay, so type that here. All right, the next one is your non-English audience directions. Same thing, put the title here, put a link to it here, and then your reflection. How did you feel when you learned you'd be doing this assignment? What was harder than you thought it would be? What was easier? What did you learn, right? So tell me about what it was like to do that. This is for your video, so put a link to the video that you created when you filmed someone doing the directions for your non-English speaking audience. And then tell me about it, okay? And then the last piece is a summary of the unit. I want you to find an image online somewhere that represents how you feel about this unit, okay? Use your imagination. Find an image that represents how you feel about this unit. Put the image in this blank space. And then
waiting for you in the main office. Nathan from IT, please come to the main office.
Fun times. Okay, so you're going to put that here in the blank space and then use this spot over here to explain to me why you chose that image. What does it mean to you? Why? How did you feel about this unit? Okay, you can be as creative as you want to. You can just use these blank plain ones and go for it. You can change them up, change the theme, add pictures, add color, whatever you want to make it more interesting. And this is your unit assessment for this unit. Once you have this all done, you will come back here and click submit.